Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Redmi Y3 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can take slow motion video in Redmi Y3 smartphone. First of all, go to the camera in your phone and keep it in video mode. This is video mode and click this icon, and here you will have slow motion option. Just click that. Now start recording. Start your video and shoot your video. I just here for a demo write something in my paper. Hi, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. Here I write it normally, but it will be recorded as a slow motion video. Just close your video, click here, and video is saved. Just open the saved video. This is the video file. When you play this video, the action will be in slow motion. See here, actually I wrote in normal way, but it's playing in slow motion. See here, it's very slow. So in this way you can make slow motion video in Redmi Y3 smartphone. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care, bye bye.